Welcome back. Once you have your work that you have completed inside of a specific project, you can then produce that project as an audio file. So for example, if you go to this file area, what you're going to do here is you're going to go to the export command. And you're going to want to decide on which file format you're going to use in order to export the file. Now what Audacity is going to do is produce the entire file as you have it laid out on the timeline. So what we're going to do here is we're going to export the entire project as an MP3 file. And we're going to save it as an MP3 file. You're going to notice here that we can save this file as other formats. You're going to see those other formats here in this area in this drop-down button. What we're going to do now is we're going to click Save, and we're going to save the project now and produce it as an MP3 file. Now Audacity is going to give us a warning that our tracks are going to mix down and export it as one stereo file. We're going to click OK. What you can then do is you can add in metadata for your specific file. We're going to skip that part and we're now going to click OK. And then the project is then produced as an MP3 file. And you're then going to see your new file inside of your directory. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.